Hello friends, I am Dr. Steven and welcome to Gentle Health. Unlike many other channels, we do not waste your time. We share simple health advice that can help you stay stronger, steadier, and more independent after 60. Did you know that many falls happen because the body's natural balance reflex becomes weaker with age? The good news is that you can improve that reflex with a few simple exercises at home. Today, I will show you 3 of the most effective movements for improving balance and reducing your risk of falls. Before starting, always have a sturdy chair, countertop, or wall nearby for support. Move slowly and stop if you feel pain, dizziness, or anything unusual. The first exercise is the toe lean. This is the most important exercise in today's routine because it helps reactivate the natural reflex that can prevent a fall before it happens. Stand facing the corner of a room with your feet a few inches apart. Keep your body straight, shoulders relaxed, and eyes looking forward. Slowly lean your entire body forward from your ankles. Do not bend at the waist. As you lean, you should feel your toes pressing into the floor. Let your toes and the muscles in your feet work to pull you back to the starting position. Move slowly and stay in control. Repeat this movement 10 times. This exercise teaches your feet and toes to respond quickly when your balance is threatened. The second exercise is standing marches. This movement strengthens the muscles that help you lift your feet safely while walking and avoid tripping over everyday obstacles. Stand behind a sturdy chair and lightly rest your hands on the back. Lift your right knee toward your chest as high as comfortable. Hold for 2 seconds, then slowly lower it. Repeat with your left knee. Focus on moving slowly both up and down. The slow lowering phase helps improve control and stability. Complete 10 repetitions on each side. As your balance improves, try using less support from the chair. The third exercise is clock reaches. This exercise improves balance in several directions at once and helps your body stay stable when reaching, turning, or stepping sideways. Imagine you are standing in the center of a large clock. Using your left foot, reach forward as if touching 12 o'clock with your toes. Return to the center. Next, reach out to the side as if touching 9 o'clock. Then, reach slightly behind you as if touching 7 o'clock. Return to center. Complete 3 rounds, then switch legs and repeat on the other side. Keep your standing knee slightly bent and your posture tall throughout the exercise. The best part about these exercises is that they do not require special equipment or a gym membership. You can practice them while waiting for your coffee to brew, during television commercials, or anytime you have a few spare minutes. Remember, balance is not built in one day. Small efforts repeated consistently are what create lasting results. Just a few minutes of practice every day can help you feel steadier, more confident, and more independent. Thank you for watching. I am Dr. Steven, and this is Gentle Health. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Gentle Health, turn on notifications, and join us for more simple health tips that help you stay active, safe, and strong at any age.